Hi guys, Joe here again with another video. Today I'm servicing this Volvo V40. It's a 2019 registration plate, and I'm going to show you how to reset the service light, maintenance light. First of all, put the key in the slot. You want to press that start button once, just for first position ignition. Then you want to keep this OK button depressed, and press the start button until the ignition is switched on. Once the ignition is switched on, you keep the OK button pressed until you're going to get a little information flashing. Release it and you will get an audible sound, that just to confirm that the service has been reset. Then you can press the OK button again and go into the service menu, and you can check, and there you have your new service mileage and months. Hope this helps. See you soon. Thank you.